Dimensions of quality in pharmaceutical products. In the pharmaceutical industry, ensuring the quality of drugs is of paramount importance to safeguard public health and meet regulatory requirements. Quality assurance involves a comprehensive evaluation of pharmaceutical products across multiple dimensions. These dimensions of quality encompass various aspects of the drug's safety, efficacy, and overall performance. In this video, we will explore the 8 dimensions of quality in pharmaceuticals and provide an example to illustrate each dimension. Identity. The identity of a pharmaceutical product refers to its specific composition and characteristics. This dimension ensures that the drug contains the correct active ingredients in the right amounts, as indicated in the product label. Additionally, it ensures that any inactive or excipient substances are appropriate and safe. For example, if we consider a common pain relief medication such as Acetaminophen Tablets, the identity dimension ensures that each tablet contains the correct amount of acetaminophen and other inactive ingredients like starch or cellulose. Purity. Purity is a crucial dimension that ensures the absence of any impurities or contaminants in the pharmaceutical product. These impurities could be related to the drug's manufacturing process, storage, or degradation. A concrete example could be Amoxicillin Capsules. The purity dimension ensures that the Amoxicillin capsules are free from any microbial contamination or extraneous substances that might compromise the drug's safety and effectiveness. Potency. Potency measures the strength and efficacy of a pharmaceutical product. It determines whether the drug can produce the desired therapeutic effect at the appropriate dosage. Taking the example of insulin injections, the potency dimension ensures that each vial of insulin contains the correct amount of the hormone to effectively manage blood sugar levels in diabetic patients. Stability. Stability refers to the ability of a pharmaceutical product to maintain its quality, potency, and safety over time. Drugs are subject to various environmental conditions during storage and transportation, and this dimension ensures that the product remains effective and safe throughout its shelf life. Consider the case of vitamin C tablets. Stability testing ensures that the vitamin C content remains intact and does not degrade under different storage conditions. Safety. Safety is one of the most critical dimensions of pharmaceutical quality. It encompasses the evaluation of potential risks associated with the use of the drug. Extensive preclinical and clinical studies are conducted to assess any adverse effects or interactions with other medications. Taking aspirin as an example, the safety dimension ensures that the drug is free from any harmful side effects or interactions, and the appropriate dosage is recommended to avoid any potential harm to patients. Efficacy. Efficacy is closely related to the drug's intended therapeutic effect. This dimension evaluates whether the pharmaceutical product can produce the desired clinical outcomes in patients. Continuing with the example of lisinopril tablets, used to treat hypertension, efficacy testing ensures that the drug effectively lowers blood pressure in patients with hypertension. Bioavailability. Bioavailability refers to the rate and extent at which the active ingredient of a pharmaceutical product is absorbed into the bloodstream and reaches the target site of action. For example, in the case of metformin extended-release tablets, used for managing type 2 diabetes, the bioavailability dimension ensures that the drug is gradually released and adequately absorbed, providing sustained blood sugar control. Performance. The performance dimension evaluates the overall functionality of the drug product, including factors such as dosage form, ease of administration, and patient compliance. If we consider nasal spray for allergy relief, the performance dimension ensures that the spray delivers the correct dose consistently and that the packaging is user-friendly. In conclusion, the 8 dimensions of quality in pharmaceuticals play a pivotal role in ensuring that medications are safe, effective, and reliable. Pharmaceutical companies and regulatory agencies meticulously assess these dimensions to maintain high standards of drug quality and protect the well-being of patients. By adhering to rigorous quality control measures, the pharmaceutical industry continues to deliver life-saving and life-enhancing medications to people worldwide. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more such contents in future.